Now we will discuss propagation of pressure waves in compressible fluid. The term propagation means action of spreading in all directions. Okay. We know that whenever any disturbance is produced in a compressible fluid, the disturbance is propagated in all directions, means disturbance is spread in all directions with the velocity of sound. The nature of propagation of disturbance is depends upon Mach number. The Mach number we have discussed in previous lecture. What is Mach number? It is the ratio of velocity of pressure waves to velocity of sound waves. Now consider a small projectile moving from left to right in a straight line. See this diagram. A small projectile piston is moving in this direction, left to right. Due to movement of projectile, the disturbances will be created in fluid. This disturbance will moving in all directions with velocity capital C. Let capital V is the velocity of projectile or velocity of piston, we can say. Capital C is velocity of pressure wave or disturbance. Now let us see how pressure wave is propagated in all directions according to the Mach number. We will take one example, simple example. Suppose water in a river is steady, it is at rest position. We throw one stone in that water. What will happen? We throw one stone in that water, steady water. What will happen? The pressure waves are generated, means the pressure wave is propagated in all directions, right? Likewise, when pressure is applied here from right to left, left to right, the pressure waves are propagated in all directions. Okay. Now we will consider first case, that is when Mach number is less than 1. We know that when Mach number is less than 1, it is a subsonic flow. Okay. Means the ratio V by C is less than 1, or we can say the velocity of projectile or piston is less than velocity of sound wave. To find the nature of propagation, let V equal to 1 unit and C equal to 2 units, so that V by C, the ratio V by C is equal to 1 by 2. Obviously, the velocity of pressure wave is maximum as than velocity of piston or projectile. Okay. Now let us consider in 4 seconds projectile reaches from position A to B. See in diagram. Let us consider in 4 seconds a projectile will reach from A to B, because projectile takes 4 seconds to reach B from A. Okay, so the A is point number 4. Okay. Position of projectile after 1 second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds and 4 seconds along lines shown by point 1, 2, 3, 4. See here, from A to B the projectile takes 4 seconds to reach. Okay. From this point 3, the projectile takes 3 seconds from this point to reach B. Here projectile takes 2 seconds from this point to reach B. Here the projectile takes 1 second from point 1 to reach at B. Okay. Now a projectile moves from A to B in 4 seconds. Hence the distance AB is equal to 4 into V, equal to 4 units. where v equal to 1 unit we have taken. The disturbance is created at A in 4 seconds will move distance equal to 4c. C is velocity of sound. Okay, equal to 4 into 2. Previously we have taken v equal to 1 and c equal to 2 units. Therefore, here we can say it has 4 into c is equal to 4 into 2 equal to 8 units in all direction. We can show the this propagation of sound waves in the diagram also, taking A at center and radius equal to 8 units. When projectile moves 4 units, the pressure wave will propagate at 8 units. Okay, draw a circle. This circle gives position of disturbance after 4 seconds. Now we can see the the point 4 we have located here. When the projectile moves for 4 units, means from A to B, what will happen? The pressure wave will propagate at 8 units. So, taking A as center and radius as 8 units. Okay, take A as center and radius as 8 units. Draw a circle. Likewise, for point number 3, when projectile is at point 3, it will reach at B in 3 seconds. Disturbance created at a point 3 in 3 seconds will move the distance having radius 3 into 2 equal to 6 units. Draw a circle. You can see in diagram, the projectile moves from point number 3 to B. It will take time 3 seconds. Okay, means velocity of projectile is 3 units. Okay, when velocity of projectile is 3 units, the velocity of pressure waves propagated in all directions will be 6 units. So, taking 3 as center and radius is equal to 6 unit, draw one circle. Likewise for point number 2 and point number 1, draw the circles. This diagram shows how pressure waves are propagated with the movement of piston or projectile. In this case, V is greater than C, V is less than C, means pressure wave has higher velocity than the velocity of projectile. The pressure wave is ahead of projectile and point B is inside sphere of radius 8 units. Now we will see case 2, how the pressure wave propagated when Mach number is 1. When Mach number m equal to 1, flow is sonic flow. In this case, the disturbance will always travels with the projectile. Let V equal to 1 unit and C equal to 1 unit, because Mach number is 1, means V is equal to C. So that m is equal to 1. Let projectile moves from A to B in 4 seconds. See in diagram, projectile moves from A to B in 4 seconds. The pressure wave is generated and it will propagated for 4 units, right, because V is equal to C. Let projectile moves from A to B in 4 seconds. The disturbance creates at A in 4 seconds will move a distance having radius 4 into C is equal to 4 units in all directions. When our projectile moves from 4 to B, means from A to B, what will happen? The pressure wave is generated and it will propagate at 4 units. Okay. Likewise for 3, when projectile moves from here to here, it will take 3 seconds. From here to here, it will take 3 seconds. Means velocity we can take as 3 units, and the pressure wave is generated and it is propagated in 3 units also. Taking 3 as a center and radius equal to 3 units, draw one circle. Likewise for unit number 2 and unit number 1, draw circles. This figure shows how pressure wave propagates when Mach number is 1. Next, consider third case, that is m is greater than 1. Means here velocity of projectile is greater than velocity of sound wave. Mach number is equal to v by c is equal to 1 divided by 0.5. Let us consider capital V equal to 1 unit and capital C is equal to 0.5 units, because here in the when Mach number is greater than 1, velocity of projectile is greater than velocity of sound. For consideration, we have taken velocity of V is equal to 1 unit and C is equal to 0.5 units, so that m is equal to V by C equal to 1 divided by 0.5 equal to 2.0. If m is greater than 1, the flow is supersonic. When projectile moves from A to B, the distance traveled by projectile in 4 seconds will be 4 into 1, hence take AB equal to 4 units. So we have taken AB distance AB equal to 4 units. The disturbance created at A will move in all directions in 4 seconds. Radius of disturbance is equal to 4 into C equal to 4 into 0.5 equal to 2 units. Okay, take A as a center, the point unit 4, the point 4 as a center. The radius is 2. Draw one circle. Okay, after 1 second, a projectile will be at position 3. Projectile will be at position 3. Disturbance created will move in all directions in 3 seconds. The radius of disturbance from 3 will 3 into C equal to 3 into 0.5 equal to 1.5 units. Draw a circle taking the center as 3 and radius as 1.5. Likewise for point 2 and point 1, draw circles. If we draw tangent to different circles which represents propagated spherical waves on both sides, we shall get cone with vertex at B. This cone, draw lines, tangent lines to the circles we have drawn. This cone is called as, this cone made by tangent is called as Mach cone. Okay, Mach angle, it is defined as half of angle of Mach cone. It is defined as half of angle of Mach cone. Half of angle of Mach cone. We can write, we can take this angle as alpha. This alpha is called as Mach angle. Next term is zone of action. When m is greater than 1, effect of disturbance is felt only in the region of inside Mach cone. This region is called as zone of action. Zone of silence. When m is greater than 1, there is no effect on disturbance in the region outside the Mach cone. The region which is outside the Mach cone is called as zone of silence. Here in the diagram we can see this is the zone of action. The action taken inside the Mach cone is zone of action. The action outside the Mach cone is called as zone of silence. Okay, the half of angle made by Mach cone is called as Mach angle.